Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive Facebook notifications by email for people you may know on your PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made it easier than ever to stay connected with potential new friends. Let's dive into the simple steps to set this up. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a bell icon. This is your notifications icon. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with your recent notifications. In the top right corner of this menu, you'll spot 3 dots. Click on these dots to reveal more options. From the new menu that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize all your Facebook notifications. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled People You May Know. Click on this option to expand it. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle switch next to Email. Simply click this switch to turn it on. And there you have it. You've successfully set up email notifications for people you may know on Facebook. From now on, whenever Facebook thinks it's found someone you might want to connect with, you'll receive an email notification. This feature is great for expanding your network, reconnecting with old friends, or discovering new connections you might have missed. Remember, you can always come back to the settings page to adjust your preferences if you find you're getting too many or too few notifications. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to receive Facebook notifications by email for people you may know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Happy networking!